Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your OPPO A6x. So first, we're gonna adjust the media and the call volume. You adjust the call volume in the phone app right here by tapping the volume up or volume down. So this is how you do that. It's not in the settings. Now, to adjust the media volume, you go over to settings, then sound and vibration, and here in the volume section you will have the media. Now make sure that it's not muted. It doesn't have to be all the way up, even though it's recommended, but setting I do have right here is definitely good. Now for the do not disturb right here in the sounds and vibration, we want to make sure that it's turned off, because this basically mutes our phone and also can cause the low volume problem or just lower volume problem, but it's still the same. So make sure to disable it. If nothing changes, you can turn it back on. Next, what you guys want to do is clean your speaker or the headphone port depending on where you have the issue. So if it's through your wired headphones, then clean the headphone port. Now if it's through the speakers, clean the speaker grills. It's very important to keep on cleaning them, because if you do not, then dust can just block the entire sound or just lower it, and we definitely do not want it. Next, what we want to do is we want to restart our phone. This is a quick refresh for our system and it should definitely help. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see this menu pop up. Now swipe up to restart, and now our OPPO is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and as a last resort, update our software to fix any audio glitches. So let's hit up the settings. Now in those settings, scroll down until you guys see system and update. Here we're gonna click software update and it will check for updates automatically. In a few seconds we should have our results. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Now my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.